purpose.
Yeah, not on purpose.
Oh man, I made my drink and I left it in the kitchen.
Uh-oh.
Oh well. Next game. If you start hearing me going, that means that I got dried out.
Ooh.
Ooh. B.
Alright.
I'd have gone
Gotta
for
go
A.
fast. What? What about A?
No, I would have gone for A, but I've had bad luck over there recently.
Yeah, me too. Ersatz for the win.
Boy, I really would like to get a survivor. I already got a survivor on this tank.
On our team.
Yeah. And watch, he'll play the whole game with that stupid thing. Because he's so little, he can't hit him.
Yeah. Once he gets hit, though, he's dead for sure.
Yeah. I don't know, they're hard to kill. Them little tanks are hard to kill because you got such big shells. You know? That's like somebody, like that Panzer, man. Holy cow, them Panzer F4s, like the 2s, you end up shooting through them instead of around them. Well, that was a Hail Mary shot. I knew that wasn't going to do nothing.
Oh. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
We've captured most of the...
You too, huh?
Oh, I hurt him, but I'm flower barreled. Yeah, speed didn't work out so well for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna J up.
Thank you. My most beautiful and loving wife brought my beer. I popped that M6 about 3 times. It didn't do nothing. And I just one sitting up on top of it. I wonder if I can hit him. No.
Uh-oh. Windows just said I'm low on storage.
They're low on storage. How come? Okay, so who's aiming at me now?
The enemy has most of the strategic zones.
Everybody and their brother.
Pretty much.
Behind you, Jim. Behind you. I'm not even respawn. I'm not wasting my time with this game. I'm gonna call it a night.
I can't believe this. Ammunition loss. I have no ammo. Oh shit! My tank don't move! Oh, you bastard.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
I gotta give it the old college try.
the hell? That's BS. That's total BS.
What the hell is that other M6? He's coming at
Wanna
me.
go back to 6.3s?
Yeah.
Allied forces have captured
I just toasted 2 M6s.
Yeah, they were shooting at me. That one was, I think. One of them was. There were a couple of them.
I can't get a sight on him.
no longer have the advantage.
He's moving awful fast for it being a heavy tank.
The enemy will win.
I should have wanted to get the cap, but I'm going after the stupid tanks instead. If he hasn't turned. Alright, now, where was I before I was so rudely interrupted?
The enemy is winning. We're on counterattack.
Like 3 or 4 jumbos over there. I bounced a K on a KV2. Ooh, someone got him. I got a screwed up breach. Oh man, I got a fucked up breach. Whoops. Got fixed. Come on, breach. Come on, breach.
We suffered a defeat. Head back to base.
Oh, I made first place. Too bad it was first place on a loss. There were 2 guys that had 7 kills on the other side. Wow, that was those M4s. I finally got one. Shot him in the side. Only 16 grand. Boy, what a rip.